Hacktex Virtual Training Materials, Virtual Guide on Entrepreneurship, Learning Unit 2, From Idea to Opportunities. Lesson 1. Recognize market future development, opportunities and obstacles. In this lecture, you will learn the key aspects of the smart and advanced textile industry, the latest developments in the advanced textile market, and how to deal with the intellectual property rights issues in the industry. The advanced textile market is rapidly evolving, offering a wide range of opportunities but also obstacles. Some ways to recognize them are: analyze market trends, key players, and consumer behavior. Stay informed about emerging technologies, identifying new applications and evaluating their potential impact on the market. Focus on sustainability, looking for ways to incorporate sustainable practices into your business strategy, such as using recycled materials or reducing waste. Take into consideration the consumer's preferences for products that offer comfort, durability, and functionality. Keep an eye on regulatory changes that could impact the advanced textile market, such as changes to environmental regulations or trade policies. Collaborate with other businesses to develop new products, share resources, and build strategic partnerships. SWOT analysis is a useful tool for evaluating the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats of a particular industry. Regarding the advanced and smart textile sector, we can list among its strengths the constant development of new products with improved performances and functionalities, thanks to advancements such as nanotechnology and 3D printing, that are driving the growth of the market. A wide range of applications in various industries such as healthcare, military, sports, fashion, and automotive. And the increasing demand for high-performance textiles. On the other hand, the weaknesses lie in the high development and production costs that make it difficult for smaller players to enter the market, the limited awareness of the benefits among consumers that limits the demand for the product, the sustainability issues caused by the complexity of the materials, and the lack of automated processes that raises quality control and safety issues. It would be important to take advantage of the opportunities arising from the growing demand for high-performance textiles in the emerging markets of Asia Pacific and Latin America, the increasing interest for customized products, the possibilities offered by new technologies such as 3D printing, nanotechnology, the Internet of Things, and the introduction of new composites with interesting properties. But we can't forget to define effective strategies to address the threats linked to the high market competition, the compliance with environmental and safety regulations, that can be challenging and expensive for manufacturers, and the management of a complex supply chain made of multiple suppliers and partners. Analyzing the latest developments in advanced textile materials is crucial, because it helps understand the current state of the field and identify new opportunities for innovation. In the next slides we are going to present you some of them. With varied degrees of success, designers have tried incorporating LEDs and e-ink screens into clothing and accessories to obtain color-changing effects in textiles. The University of Central Florida's College of Optics and Photonics created the first color-changing cloth that can be controlled by the wearer using a smartphone. Each thread woven into chromorphous fabric incorporates a thin metal micro-wire. Passing through the micro-wires, an electric current slightly raises the thread's temperature. Special pigments embedded in the thread respond to this change of temperature by changing its color. Customers can use an app to control both the timing of the color shift and the design that will appear on the fabric. Nowadays, there exist different companies offering garments, accessories that, thanks to different kinds of technologies, can record and monitor medical data both for health and fitness purposes. The Sensoria Fitness Smart Sports Bra gives you accurate and reliable heart rate monitoring. It is possible to measure your fitness activity, keep track of your performance and improvements, and provide feedback on motions and medical data through the use of the Sensoria Fitness mobile app. Georgia Tech researchers created energy harvesting yarns that can be woven into washable textiles. They function by making use of the static electricity accumulated by the friction between two distinct materials. The fabric, which can be sewed into socks, sweaters, and other clothing, may capture enough energy from arm motion to power a sensor that, in the future, might be able to charge your phone. Researchers from RMIT University of Melbourne discovered a method to make textiles wash themselves. Cotton thread was used by researchers to grow three-dimensional copper and silver nanostructures, which were then woven into a piece of fabric. When the fabric was exposed to light, the nanostructures absorbed the energy, which excited the electronics in the metal atoms. This made the grime on the outer layer of the texture separate, cleaning itself in close to 6 minutes. Pauline van Dongen designed the circular radius travel bag, which features small solar power beads that allow users to charge mobile devices while they are on the go. Little spheres, that serve as solar cells, make up a section of the bag. Energy from the strap is then fed through a charging wire, that can be accessed by unzipping a magnetic clasp on the top pocket. The team constructed a three-dimensional sculpture, with several yarns and data-driven knitting machines using double-layered jersey fabric. The development of new advanced and smart textile products can raise various private property issues that can be related to the protection of personal data collected and processed from users, such as biometric information or activity tracking data, or the risk of unauthorized copying or imitation of products. Intellectual property comprises the knowledge, skills, and other intangible assets that businesses can convert into usable resources to generate a competitive advantage. To check if a product or technology is already protected by patents, it is possible to perform a preliminary search on patent databases to identify any existing patents related to your product or technology. Considering the size of the market you plan to reach, the search can be conducted at different levels. National patent offices provide searchable databases that can be useful in identifying patents granted within their jurisdictions. At regional level exists different kind of database. For Europe, we can refer to the European Patent Office. If you plan to market your product or technology globally, consider conducting an international patent search. The World Intellectual Property Organization's Patent Scope database allows you to search for patents from multiple countries simultaneously. Carefully review the patent documents that you identified during your search. Pay attention to the claims section, as they define the scope of protection provided by the patent. Assess the similarity of the claims to your product or technology to determine if there may be potential conflicts. The development of advanced and smart textile products often involves collaborations between multiple parties, such as researchers, manufacturers, and technology providers. Clear agreements and contracts should be established to define the rights, responsibilities, and ownership of intellectual property generated through such collaborations. This includes patents, trademarks, copyrights, and trade secrets associated with innovative technologies, designs, or processes. Properly identifying, securing, and enforcing these rights is crucial to protecting investments and encouraging innovation. The table shown on this slide contains a summary of the basic features of intellectual property rights' formal protection methods. To conclude, we can remark the following key points. It is important to stay updated with the latest market trends. A SWOT analysis can help you to view things in different perspectives, orienting your decisions. By studying the latest market trends and developments, you can get inspiration or spot new opportunities. Intellectual property rights implications need to be taken into account from the first steps of a new product idea development.